भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। Keep your eyes closed, bring your palms together, rub your palms, feel the heat, and let the heat flow into your body, through your face, through your eyes. Rub your hands together one more time and let the energy flow to your body, on whole body. Keep open your eyes nice and slow. All right. Chal. Today we are going to do slightly different. Generally, yeah, look at your palms and all that. I forgot. Like I said, I'm not fully well, so I kind of forgetting. So yeah. So generally we do Fridays, we do little different. So we will do Tali yoga. Okay. You okay, Tali? Hima, you okay? So you guys we have done it before, na Triveni once?
I
Tali
don't
yoga.
remember. I mean, I don't recollect it, but yeah, maybe once you instruct, I may follow.
Okay. So we'll do, it will be on the chair. So let's bring one chair. And along with the music, just look at me, follow me. Okay. Bring a chair which is little solid. It should not have wheel. We did it once. I remember now because you
We
had
did
a
it.
chair with the wheels.
Correct.
So do you have a chair now without the wheels?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah. Okay. So let's just bring a chair. A dining table chair will do. Or a plastic chair, but then it should not be lightweight.
Sure. Also, you have one more request. Help one asana for digestion problem, na today.
For digestion. Okay. Today I was not planning, but to do this one, Vajrasan, you said. Sit into the Vajrasan. I'll just tell you quickly, okay?
Yeah, sure, please.
So sit in Vajrasan.
Okay.
And after every meal, remember, after each meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, Vajrasan you can do after each meal. It is very good. Okay? So sit in Vajrasan for around 3 to 4 minutes every day. Okay. Just sit like this after each meal. Okay. But Mandukasana also you can do, but that you should not do after the meal. Mandukasana is good for digestion, but do it not after the meals. After the meals, just sit like this. Sit. Keep your backbone straight. Yeah, just sit like this until you get a burp. This I do with my son also, and sometimes when I have indigestion, I also do. So when you sit like this for a few minutes, after that you will get the burp. Okay. And when you are not full stomach, that time you do Mandukasana. Hold your fist like this. Keep it next to your navel point. Like this. Okay. And breathe in and then breathe out. Breathe out. And while breathing out, come down. Make sure that your fists are pressing on your stomach and look forward. Don't look down, look forward. And keep it like this for a few seconds. And while breathing in, come back in the position. Again, breathe out. While breathing out, come down. You will feel the pressure on your stomach. Breathe in, come back up. This one. So this is one. Then you do Pavan Muktasan, which is if you have extra gas in your stomach, so that you can do. So sit like this and press your stomach, sitting position. In the sitting position, you can just bring your knee closer to your and press the stomach. One you can do one at a time. If you are able to do both, you can do both at a time. And best is to do it in the lying position. So like hold it, and press it. One, hold the other one, two, and both together. So this way, the entire stomach will be worked out. Got it? Keep it, just don't do it continuously. Press it continuously. If you are doing, then you are working out your thighs and legs. If you press it towards your stomach, then your stomach is working out. Okay. Yes, very good. These two, right? So Pavan Muktasan, Vajrasan, Mandukasana, these three I told you. Apart from that, you can do plank. Like in the plank, I have told you na plank how to do.
Yeah.
This is plank.
Okay.
All right. Chalo. So let's sit. Hima, you can also, these 3, 4 I told you, right? These are good for digestion. So good, recommended for everyone actually. Sitting Vajrasan after the meals is very good for everyone. So let's do some Tali yoga. It will be fun. Initially you'll feel, oh, it is easy, but let's see how it goes. Oh, everything is closed on this laptop. One second, just hold on. This is my husband's laptop. I have to search here. I have to ask him only. 1 second. Can you hear the music? Yeah, okay. So let's do it. Lift your hands up. Yes. Very nice. You have to hit such that you really feel the beating, okay? Put your hands up and then feel the beating. You should feel it on each part of the body. As we go, feel. Hit it on your thighs. You should feel it. Hima, you are doing very slow. Just feel there should be a sound, clapping sound when you hit it on the thighs, okay? Sit little front on the chair. Make sure that you don't fall, and you have to hit below the thighs. Okay, hands still at least till shoulder and below the thighs. little bend you have to do. Bend little bit and hit it below the thighs. On the knees, front, in the front, lift your hands in the front, elbows straight, and hit it on the knees. All right. Side of the calves. You have to bend little bit. You have the calf muscle right here below the knees, and you have to hit it sideways. All right? Yes. Legs together behind the knees on the calf muscle, back of the leg.
खुशियों के हमें रंग है देता, जीने का हमें रंग वो देता। खुशियों के हमें रंग है देता, जीने का हमें रंग वो देता। मानव से वो देव बनाकर।
One leg up on the other leg, and you have to hit on the edges of your foot, not the portion which falls on the floor, but edges. Yes, edges, and then later we will do on the side of the which side on the floor also. But first we are doing on the edges.
मानव से वो देव बना, धरती पर स्वर्ग सजाता है। वो मेरा बाबा है, वो मेरा बाबा है, वो मेरा बाबा है, वो मेरा बाबा है। है संभाले, पलकों पर हम सबको पाले, जीवन नैया को है संभाले। ले पतवार हाथों में बाबा, ले पतवार हाथों में बाबा, मंजिल तक ले जाता है, वो मेरा बाबा है, वो मेरा बाबा है, वो मेरा बाबा है, वो मेरा बाबा है। खुशियों के
Tighten your stomach and then hit it above and below your navel point. First tighten. It should be sink in. Okay, tight.
हमें रंग है देता, जीने का हमें रंग वो देता, खुशियों के हमें रंग है देता, जीने का हमें रंग वो देता। मानव से वो देव बनाकर, मानव से वो देव बना, धरती पर स्वर्ग सजाता है, वो मेरा बाबा है, वो मेरा बाबा है, वो मेरा बाबा है, वो।
Triveni, very good. Stomach, these ones what we are doing are good for digestion. So
Sure.
this you can do, but don't do it with full stomach. Okay.
Okay.
And make sure that your core is tight. First you tighten the core and then you hit it. This ways and sideways. All right.
Sure.
मेरा बाबा है।
All right. Change. So both of you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Right? Okay. So now little bit faster, slight faster. Make sure that your legs will be going up and down like a march past. Okay. In the entire time, now onwards.
नक्श कदम पर चल बाबा के, बाबा जैसा बनना है, नक्श कदम पर चल बाबा के, बाबा जैसा बनना है।
You have to hit. You have to hit. Listen to the sound. Okay. We are not just touching. We have to hit.
बनकर होली हमसे हमें भी गुड़ मोती ही चुगना है।
नक्श कदम पर चल बाबा के, बाबा जैसा बनना है, चंचल डोली हमें गुड़ मोती ही चुगना है, चंचल डोली हमें गुड़ मोती ही चुगना है।
दया का सागर, क्षमा का सागर जैसे मेरा बाबा है, निराकारी और निरहंकारी जैसे मेरा बाबा है।
Emma, watch me, watch me. You were doing this, right? But I had changed to this. See, each part, entire body has pressure points. So we are going to press each pressure point. We are going to activate each pressure point. Okay. So if you are doing this, then change it to this. Same with this, then change it to this. All right. Chalo.
दया का सागर, क्षमा का सागर जैसे मेरा बाबा है, निराकारी सबसे न्यारा।
गुण अवगुण को चित्त न धर के गुण अवगुण को चित्त न धर के सबको गले लगाना है। बनकर होली हमसे हमें भी गुण मोती ही चुगना है।
नक्श कदम पर चल बाबा के बाबा जैसा बनना है। बनकर होली हमें गुण मोती ही चुनना है।
On the head, but slowly. On the head, one by one with each hand, but do it slowly.
मीठी वाणी रहम भाव से उमंग मन में भरता है। दुख हरता सुख करता बाबा सुख सावन बरसाता है।
मीठी वाणी रहम भाव से उमंग मन में बढ़ता है। सुख हरता सुख करता बाबा सुख सावन बरसाता है।
साथ सदा ही उनके रहे हम साथ सदा ही उनके रहे हम। सफर बड़ा ही सुहाना है। बनकर होली हमसे हमें भी गुण मोती ही चुगना है।
नक्श कदम पर चल बाबा के बाबा जैसा बनना है। बनकर होली हमसे हमें गुण मोती ही चुनना है। नक्श कदम पर चल बाबा के बाबा जैसा बनना है। बनकर होली हमसे हमें गुण मोती ही चुनना है। बनकर होली हमें गुण मोती ही चुनना है। गुण मोती ही चुनना है। गुण मोती ही चुनना है।
नक्श कदम पर चल बाबा
Little faster now. All right, slowly, little faster. Okay, and just watch and do.
के बाबा जैसा बनना है। नक्श
Just enjoy the song along with the song. Just do it, okay?
कदम पर चल बाबा के बाबा जैसा बनना है। बनकर होली हमसे हमें भी गुण मोती ही चुगना है।
Are you able to clap behind your back? Yes, very nice.
नक्श कदम पर चल बाबा के बाबा जैसा बनना है। बनकर होली हमसे हमें गुण मोती ही चुनना है। बनकर होली हमसे हमें गुण मोती ही चुनना है।
दया का सागर क्षमा का सागर जैसे मेरा बाबा है। निराकारी और निरहंकारी जैसे मेरा
Just check this. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. All right. We will keep changing this.
बाबा है।
दया का सागर क्षमा का सागर जैसे मेरा बाबा है। निराकारी और निरहंकारी जैसे मेरा बाबा है।
दिव्य गुणों की भर कर खुशबू दिव्य गुणों की भर कर खुशबू फूल रूहानी बनना है। बनकर होली हमसे हमें भी गुण मोती ही चुगना है।
नक्श कदम पर चल बाबा के
back side. Let your back on the rest. Yes. Now do the cycling. Okay. Hold the chair from the sides. Otherwise, you won't be able to do. Hold the chair, lower edge. Hold the lower edge and hold it. Yes. If you can reach, hold it.
लक्ष्य कदम पर चल बाबा के बाबा जैसा बनना है चंचल डोली हमें गुड़मो धीरे चुनना है गुड़मो धीरे चुनना है गुड़मो धीरे चुनना है गुड़मो धीरे चुनना है
नक्श कदम पर चल बाबा के बाबा जैसा बनना है नक्श कदम पर चल बाबा के बाबा जैसा बनना है बनकर होली हमसे हमें भी गुड़मोती ही चुगना है
All right. Very nice. Did you even feel that you have worked out with
Yeah,
music?
it's getting